POV, you're making kids Fortnite Map Making millionaires. This is a story of how I turned a fan and a viewer of mine to a millionaire online making Fortnite maps. This video is going to seriously change your life because you're going to be understanding the exact fundamentals of every single thing you guys need to know to successfully start making money online making Fortnite maps as a beginner with whatever stage you guys are at. And with the advice coming up in this video, guys, Rezify was able to afford his mom groceries and help her out and be able to comfortably be able to buy himself a computer to start making money online making Fortnite maps. I'm so blessed to be in this position where I can motivate and inspire you guys. You're going to learn so much from this video and it might make you shed a tear. And obviously, if you want to get access to all of the code and advice inside of this video, join Fort Mafia. It's only $1 and you'll get access to unlimited code and games every single weekend. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so we are talking to Rezify right now and he's made thousands and thousands of dollars with my help. Rezify, how are you doing, man?
Yo, I'm good. How are you?
Doing great, bro. I'm doing great. So what would you say is the highest contributing factor to how I've helped you have success in games? Because you said earlier that you've helped your mom out with groceries and you bought yourself a computer. How are you feeling with all of that and how long ago was that?
Well, I started watching your videos about 2 months ago and I've just been watching on how to make maps and stuff, and I've made my maps, I've promoted it, and I got good money out of it, all thanks to you.
How long have you started that? Like, when did you start making games and how did you hear about it? Was it from my videos or what was it from?
It was from your videos, like it was ages ago, and then I got scammed. Somebody else like used my code and then I promoted their video and then I got scammed out of $2,000.
Yeah. So what would you say is the highest contributing factor to like your success? Because we see all these games here on the Discovery, like this game here called Hypercoin Parkour has 10,000 players right now. Where do you want to be at, you know, in a few months time from now? Maybe with the help of my videos, maybe not. Maybe you do something even more ambitious after this. Like what would you say is like the main motivating factor for you to continue what you're doing?
Probably promoting my videos on social media like TikTok and YouTube, places like that.
So Rezify, what was the feeling of being able to provide for your family and help out your mom with groceries and buy yourself a computer? You know, since you're super young and stuff, usually younger people, myself included, we didn't have anything. So like, how does it feel being able to help out your mom and as well have a computer to start making games and make thousands of dollars a month doing so?
It was honestly the best feeling in my life, helping my mum. I've never been able to do that before. Like most people my age, like never make that kind of money, so it feels really good.
So what games are you working on currently, and can you show us? Can you show the viewers at home what games are you working on so then I can coach you and make them better and improved for the viewers at home watching and as well yourself here today? Okay, this is really cool. You got the barrier devices in the shop. Is this like a gun game?
Yeah, this is gonna be a gun game. I'm gonna have vending machines in here.
This is a Greasy Grove template, right?
Yeah.
So what are some things that you're gonna add to this game that you see other people not adding that will like make it do better than other games?
I was just thinking of watching a bunch of YouTube tutorials on verse codes, because I've heard the more verse codes you add into your map, the more players you get.
So what is the promotion angle that you're gonna go for with your TikToks and YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and everything?
I'm not gonna promote anything on this map because I'm just hoping it's gonna get players. Like, cause I believe if you genuinely make a good map with like in UEFN with like good verse codes and stuff, like
exactly, bro. Because if you have a good game, I don't know why people don't understand that. Like, I'm gonna go on Fortnite GG here, and like if you guys look here, guys, you don't have to make like crazy games, but make them have some simplicity with it as well. You know, like this gun game that Rezify is working on. That game could easily show up to like 20,000, 15, 10,000 players if it's just good enough. It doesn't have to be outstanding, but it also can't be a bad game as well. So you have to find some middle ground of like what's acceptable for your own standards, but also I guess for the people playing the game as well. Like I guess the Fortnite community. A lot of these guys are making games that aren't really the greatest. I mean, especially the guys in my Discord. And let's go take a look. See, the thumbnails are terrible inside of this Discord, and I'm not telling you guys to make these bad thumbnails.
yeah, it's the same with YouTube videos, isn't it? If you make a good video, like you'll get views.
Yeah. You don't need any promotion at all, to be honest. Like, do you know how to make good thumbnails at all too?
Yeah. If you look at all of these thumbnails on my screen, I don't know if it's good or bad.
The color grading is pretty bad. The only thing that's bad about it is they're too common now. I guess like 8 months ago this would be great, but now it's not like as good. Like for example, here I'm gonna fix this thumbnail for you. So right now we're gonna fix Rezify's thumbnail here. I'm gonna show you guys at home watching as well how to make a better thumbnails and make it stand out and more vibrant. All right, so let's go open up Photopia and we're gonna open up the new project. We're gonna plop it in here. Bam. So now we have the thumbnail. So the problem with this thumbnail is that the color grading like is very dull. So what I like to do is press Ctrl J here. So you press Ctrl J, guys, and then you go to other. You'll press color to alpha, and just like that, it 10x the quality of it. Look at that.
Oh damn! I did not realize that.
Yeah. So now it's gonna look 10 times better than it otherwise would have not with this feature. So if you guys look at the before and after here, this is a crazy difference. So
that is actually crazy.
Yeah. So now it's already 10 times better. But if we want to make it even more better, what we could do is add some vibrance to it. So what we can do is go to here and add some more vibrance. Now you have a better thumbnail. You know, and it took like 2 seconds to do, guys. So definitely use Phototopia if you guys want to make better thumbnails. I'll send that back to Rezify right here. So here's your thumbnail.
Thanks, bro. Thank you.
There you go. Like you guys just have to make clickable thumbnails, guys. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like it's very easy. So I just sent Rezify custom exclusive codes that cost hundreds and hundreds of dollars every single month that he's going to put inside of his game right now to enhance the game and make thousands of dollars a month with this amplified code that I've modded myself and made it more customizable. So he's going to put in the code that I just made for him, and you're going to see the magic and the glory behind verse code and its capabilities, so then you guys can replicate the same success that you're seeing on screen right now. So now what I want you to do is exit out, press the minus sign right there, and essentially go to the top left and press verse, and you'll press build verse code. The game should freeze for a second, and then you should go to the content drawer on the bottom left, and the device should be right there called the custom car. You can go ahead and drag it out. All right, so now you can have anything you want as a car. So now Resify has his custom verse device in, custom car device, mind you. So he's gonna be able to put in whatever the hell he wants as a vehicle inside of Fortnite, which is exclusive inside of Fort Mafia, which is only $1 a day. So now I'm gonna tell Resify what's wrong with his game, so you guys at home can now replicate and emulate the top people inside of the space and have more success. So Resify is gonna load up his games, and I'm gonna give him critiques on what he can do to do better inside of Fortnite map making. All right, so we're in Resify's game, and I'm not gonna lie, this just looks really, really weird. The candy meshes, and yeah, this is terrible. The graphics for the colors is very, very bad. Like, we have a hot dog with like a dinosaur or something. This looks like something you'd get in like some Minecraft mod tutorial. So I thought this game would have been, we have a bug here, that's kind of cool. This does not look like a red versus blue game at all. Like, where are these, like, where are like the player spawners, where are the powers and abilities? I don't really know what we're looking at here. There we have it. Okay, never mind, I spoke too soon. But wow, this is very terrible. No offense to you, Resify, but there's so many things you could add differently inside of this, like just the layout of it, because this is supposed to be the vegetable side. But isn't a strawberry a fruit? Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I would do to make this game better is I'd make the landscape blue. Like, it should be a light blue that people are, like, the flooring, I feel like it should be a light blue, and the wall should be like white.
Do you know what the secret to getting players on your map? What do you think? Because I know you got.
Well, you have okay, look, so like there isn't really a secret. I would say the secret is making a game that is actually really good. Like, actually, like, spend a few months on it. If you look at all the top performing games that are popular, these games were all spent a few months on their games, you know. I mean, I know a lot of these guys are copying what's already popular, but I believe that what you guys really have to do is make a good game, like this game right here called Pillars Events. Like, this looks really, really sick. Okay, so we have the rank system in your HP here. Custom health bar, custom system for your health. You don't really have an insane vault though, that's the thing.
Yeah, I know. It's nothing special. And then around here, there's a secret room. This actually works. You get 1,000 health. It's like a grief map. It's like a cheat map. Do you want me to show you how I promote it? I don't really get views, but it does the job so far. I'm trying my hardest to get views, so.
So how much do you post of these a day? You should fake streamer reactions of people reacting to the game. Oh, XMB, that guy's in my server, you know? Yeah, I'm literally the guy who helped him make his first 100K.
Seriously?
I thought you knew that. This is what you should do. You have the person run into a teleporter that gets them teleported to the button instead. Because that'd be way faster for the videos, and it'd encapsulate them. And it'd be easier for the viewers as well. I don't even have to run. I just have to run into this teleporter. Yeah, I've literally helped everyone in the space. Isn't that crazy though? And I don't reap a single benefit.
Davey, if I genuinely make it and actually make really good money, I swear I'll give you a commission. I'll give you like 5%. But I just really need to get there first. I'm trying my hardest.
These are obviously super popular. Let's go see how much he's made. Let's go take a look see. The best one, his name's BH Woods. He's doing it. He's made like a $500,000. So Resify, it was amazing talking to you. I'm so happy that I was able to help you and inspire you to make money online making Fortnite maps. If you guys want to see any more videos like this, let me know down in the comments. Who should I interview next? Should I interview Geerzy? Should I interview the boy Dilly? Who should I interview inside of the Fortnite map making space? I love you guys all, man. It's been your boy Davey Davis. I'll see you guys in the next video. Click the last video on the screen. I'm out. Peace.